Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like you can see, it's pedicure day. Yay! So this is the current situation of my feet. Like you can see, they are almost at a point of cracking, but I fixed that to these. And can you see the difference? Yeah, these ones are looking so good, so soft, like a baby bum. So let's start the video on pedicure. So the first thing, like usual, is to soak our legs. So Thunder Ash shampoo, that is what I'm using today to soak my legs. So I'm soaking for like 5 minutes, and as I soak, I'll be removing my nail polish. Using acetone and cotton wool to remove my previous nail polish or the old nail polish. Yeah, then after soaking, this is how my legs are looking. The heel, the dead skin has softened, and therefore now what is remaining is just to scrub and remove that dead skin. So can you see this? You will see the difference in a few. So we remove that dead skin. Remember, removing dead skin and helps in your heels not to crack, or it helps in healing of cracked heels. So if you want to eliminate cracked heels that you have, the best thing that you can do is to always scrub your legs so as to remove dead skin. So I had so many dead skin, and therefore I had to remove them. The best thing about doing your own pedicure is that you are able to do it to your own satisfaction. The removal of dead skin, you do it to your own satisfaction, unlike when someone else is doing it. So moving to each and every corner of my feet just to ensure that I get rid of that dead skin. The reason why I have these so many dead skin is because it has been a while since I did even a foot care riverone pedicure. Yeah, then after that, it's time to remove cuticles, and just to ensure that the nails are also looking good. So I've used cuticle remover to remove the cuticles, and now it's time to push the remaining cuticles that were harder to remove. So I'm using a cuticle pusher just to push the cuticles, and ensure that the nail polish is going to lay so well, and that the toenails will be looking so good. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe. Then the next thing is to scrub. I'm using my body scrub to remove dead skin even on the upper part of the leg, and just to ensure that I've gotten rid of all dead skins, because dead skin are an enemy to your feet. They are an enemy to your legs and your skin in general, if I may say. Yeah, so I scrub even the upper part, in between the toes and everywhere, and I'm telling you, by the time I'm done, my legs will be looking so good. So guys, comment below and let me know how you normally do your foot care, your pedicure, and how do you remove dead skin from your feet. Then now it's time to apply nail polish. Yay, I love myself a new nail polish, like a new set, like new me. It feels like a new me. So I'm going in with this gel polish, and then after that it's time to moisturize my legs. Always ensure that you moisturize your feet, your legs, and just your skin in general. Yes, if you want young and good looking feet, please make sure that you moisturize. Okay, ensure that they are always moisturized. So thank you for being in my channel. I really appreciate. And if you are here, please, and you have not subscribed, please support me, motivate me by just subscribing. So guys, this is the result. Like you can see, my legs are looking like a baby bump. Can you look at the heel? It's so soft, so clean, and it's looking so good. The toenails are also on point. Can you see that? They are also looking so good, and I love the red color. I really love bright polish. Yeah, and right now I'm really in love. Can you see that? Let me know, what do you think of my pedicure routine? What do you think of my nail polish? Do you love it? Do you love the results? So bye bye guys, and happy new year. It's still a new year, so subscribe to my channel as we start the new year. Bye.